Welcome back to Preyo Promo, your destination for fast and professional design tutorials. Tired of flat, boring text layouts? Today, I'm showing you the pro-level secret to curving text in Canva for that high-end look. Step 1. Open Canva. Head to canva.com and launch your design dashboard. Starting in the official Workspace gives you access to every pro-level tool. Step 2. Select your canvas. Click. Create a design and pick a format like a YouTube thumbnail. The right canvas size ensures your text fits perfectly and looks sharp. Step 3. Add your text. Hit the Text tab on the left and drop your message onto the screen. This creates the foundation for your custom typography design. Step 4. Customize the font. Type your message and pick a bold font that stands out. A strong typeface is the key to making your curved design look professional. Step 5. Adjust size and color. Scale your text and choose a vibrant color that pops. High contrast colors are essential for grabbing attention on social media. If you're ready to level up your design skills, subscribe to Preyo Promo. Join our community for daily tips on mastering the best tech tools. Step 6. Open Effects. Select your text and click the Effects button in the top toolbar. This menu holds the powerful tools needed to reshape your typography. Step 7. Apply Curve. Scroll down to Shape and click the Curve option instantly. Canva's engine will automatically bend your text into a clean arc. Step 8. Fine-tune. Use the slider to adjust the curve angle exactly how you want it. Precision adjustments allow your text to wrap perfectly around any object. Now you've got the skills to create custom, professional text layouts in seconds. Thanks for watching Preyo Promo. Like this video, and I'll see you next time.